Okay, we are at Garza, Blanca in Los Cabos, and I'm entering what is the junior suite. Absolutely stunning. This is their lead-in, so this would be the lowest room category offered, which is pretty incredible. I'm gonna go out here and take a peek on the balcony. I love this. How pretty is that? You've got your own hammock. Obviously a stunning view of the resort and the ocean. And then we're going to come back in here. Let me get this angle so you can see. So these rooms are either going to have the 2 double bed or the king bed. Look at the mirror. And this, even the wall installation here is stunning. So we come around here, what a cool little mini fridge. We have the soaking tub here, double vanity sink, and love that seat in the shower there. So very modern touches here. Let's go around this way. Again, one more peek at the junior suite. This is the lead-in category at Garza Blanca. Then if we come around here, let's say you want to do you want something a bit larger. You don't have to do this connecting. However, if you wanted something bigger, we're now entering what is the 1-bedroom unit. So you're going to have a full kitchen here because this resort, you can choose if you want it to be all-inclusive or if you want it to just be regular daily rate where you can have groceries delivered if you don't want the all-inclusive concept. So this would be a 1-bedroom. If a wedding couple is getting married, they're automatically going to be upgraded to this 1-bedroom unit. So again, stunning balcony out here. Great, huge balcony with the hammock. Look at this wall. Really well done. We come around over here into the master bedroom area, which has the king bed and another TV on this wall. Let me get this angle. This is so pretty. It really, the way they've done this, it doesn't really feel like a hotel. It sort of feels like your own residence with the way these walls and the decor in here. Really nice. Again, double vanity sink and your shower and toilet. So this would be the 1-bedroom unit. You can, if you need space, this is a family-friendly resort, so you can book it as a 2-bedroom, which then is going to give you that guaranteed connecting door. So this 1-bedroom then turns into your 2-bedroom unit. So again, I'm gonna get one final shot here. Really nice. This is Garza Blanca, Los Cabos.